we just finished putting together this communication system for one of our customers. It's got a repeater, the Hytera HR652, as well as a bunch of handhelds, but I wanted to show you what we did for this setup. So we got the repeater, and down here as well we've got the optional battery. And we also have a bunch of different ways to use antennas with this repeater. So the simplest way is going to be with the direct attach antenna. This is the one that we provide for free with anybody who buys this repeater from us. But this customer also wanted the ability to be able to run different antenna options. So for that, we put together a tripod mounted antenna system for them, which allows them to run all sorts of different antennas. So they wanted the ability to run directional. So this is a directional Yagi. This thing unfolds just like this. And this will attach to our camera tripod, just like this. And then you can orient it any direction you want to. We also set it up so that they could use any NMO type antenna. So we got our NMO mount here with a ground plane disc, and we've got a layered connectivity antenna. That'll screw on there just like that. So now you'd take your coax and you'd run it from your antenna into the repeater right here. They did opt to have the duplexer in here, so we just installed that duplexer in here today. That's internally mounted in here, and that lets us use a single antenna, and it also allows us to do both digital and analog repeater modes on that single antenna. So that duplexer was put in today. And then we've got all their handhelds. So in this case, they decided to go with the Hytera HP782 radios. So we've got those here. They also wanted to do some of these ZBM2 antennas. So these are really nice antennas, really nice long whips actually. And we just got these in. They're not listed on the website yet, but if you want them, we have a couple different colors here. They use these BNC quick attach mounts just like that, so they're pretty nice. As you'll see, we're also working on some holsters, so if you're looking for holsters, that's something we're working on. We're doing some camo ones as well, hopefully. So, but here's the radios. So we got a bunch of 782s here. Once again, you'll see we got a really nice Pelican case for them. They've got their user guide that we do for every one of our orders, so that shows how we programmed all the channels and how we programmed all the buttons as well. So if we'll go ahead and take these over here to the repeater, I'll show you how this works. So right now we're on an analog channel. So you'll see, this one's on an analog channel, analog repeater 1. And this is a mixed mode. We're in mixed mode operation, so it'll do either analog or digital. So probably help to start it up first. We'll just give that a second to turn on. All right, so we've got an analog. This is analog scrambled through the repeater right here. And you'll see that the repeater's keying up. Now we'll go ahead to a digital channel. So we've got DMR repeater 1 encrypted. And this is using AES-256 with multi-key encryption. Once again, you'll see that the repeater is keying up and ready to go.